How to fix Everwind is crashing on Steam. First, you want to right click on the game and open up the properties. Go to installed files and verify the integrity of game files. Once this process is done, you can go back to the general tab and add -dx11 to the launch options. Next, you can close Steam. And now you'll need to check if you have the latest GPU driver updates installed. If you're running an NVIDIA GPU, you can use the NVIDIA app to check and download updates. Otherwise, if you're running AMD, you can use the AMD software. And from here, you can check and download and install the latest drivers. The last step is to install the redistributables. You can access this link by searching for redist and then clicking on the first link. Now, from this table right here, you will need to download the 86 and the 64 installers and install both of them. It might require a computer restart when you finish installing these. And now all you need to do is open up Steam as admin, right click on Steam and run as admin, and just launch the game from your library. This should fix the crash problem. If you found this helpful, leave a like and a comment, and see you on the next one.